Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. Moodeng, memecoin, basic information, important technical analysis, price prediction update forecast, quick update, latest new update. Moodeng, Solana coin platform Solana, last 24-hour time of recording, 10% price drop down. Last 24-hour time of recording, Moodeng 10% price drop down. Current technical indicator sentiment overall bullish. 10% price drop down. Technical indicator sentiment time after recording bullish. Fear in greed index 73. Greed index moving currency performance 45%. 45% currency performance. Price volatility 15%. 15% very high volatility. 24-hour trading volume 307 million. Market cap 300 million. Market dominance moving 0.01%. Last 24-hour trading volume decrease 10%. New buying rated point 19 cents. At this level, base buying rated point 19 cents. Highest price, high cycle 33 cents. Current circulating supply 990 million Moodeng. Out of supply 1 billion Moodeng. Currently rank Moodeng 28 memecoin sector. Currently 48 cryptocurrency exchange listed. 52 pairs, KuCoin, OKX, Binance, future listed coin, get.io, get, Mexi, coming rise listing Binance. Currently price predictions of the win, Moodeng, bullish. 10 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish buy signals and 7 signaling bearish. Sell signal, currently bullish time of recording, currently RSI indicator. Relative index momentum value around 50-60 indicates Moodeng coin market neutral position zone RSI indicator around 50-60 neutral zone. Currently trading about 200 SMA bullish. Long-term trending zone stable coin stable zone. Moodeng coin currently trading above zone 200 SMA bullish stable coin. Currently 50 SMA bullish short-term trending zone. Currently daily SMA 503 bearish. It means recent some selling pressure. Overall technical indicators in terms of bullish. Weekly SMA 21 bullish. Support level entry points 17 cents, 16 cents, and strongest support level entry point Moodeng memecoin 14 cents. Resistance levels 19 cents, 22 cents, 23 cents. Moodeng memecoin forecast. Current technical indicator sentiment bullish. Last 44-hour time of recording 10% price drop down. RSI indicator neutral. New buying rated point 19 cents. Possible buying rated point 19 cents. Hold medium term, short term profitable. Moodeng coin, Moodeng memecoin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.